Hello money makers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am back at it again with InboxDollars. They just have so many things you can do to make money and save money. It is an awesome site to join. It is absolutely free. I highly recommend it. Check my link below for signing up to InboxDollars and get yourself a $5 bonus just for signing up. Okay, so InboxDollars has this really awesome get paid to print out coupons deal. Basically, you come here and you can print out coupons and get paid 25 cents per day every day, plus an additional 10 cents per coupon redeemed. So here are the coupons, and there are quite a bit of categories from beverages, healthcare, household items, pet care. So let's check out some of these coupons, and these are just your normal everyday items, so that's really cool. So once you click coupon, it will send it to your printing for printing later on once you click on this print coupons. So let's add a few more things like Clorox, save $1 on batteries, and I know there are a lot of work at home moms. So let's check out some baby and toddler. So we have here some great deals for Gerber baby food. Save $4. Okay. So you can see there's a lot of opportunities to save over $120. So once you click the coupons, click on print coupons. This is the print page here. So you just select your printing options here and then click print when you're ready. Alright, your coupons printed successfully. Now let's go back to the coupons, and I forgot to mention that you earn 1 cent or 1 penny per coupon printed, so you have to add up to 25 of these to get the 25 cents, and you can do this per day every day. Okay, I hope this helps. Once again, I'll leave the link to InboxDollars down below in the video description for you guys to sign up and grab $5 free just for signing up. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more make money online opportunities, tips and tricks. Thanks again, and happy money making.